Okay, this is the last one that I'm going to make in this series, and if anyone needs any others, then I'll put them up. But let's have an example where you might have x's on both sides. So, for example, x plus 3 equals 2x. Okay, this is pretty straightforward because you've got x over there and you've got 3 here, and you've got 2 x's on this side. Okay, so you'll notice that you've got x's on both sides, so we want to get rid of this x on this side so that we've got x's only on one side. So to do that, we're going to subtract x from the left hand side, and if we do that, then we have to subtract x from the right hand side. So algebraically, this is x plus 3 minus x equals 2x minus x. Well, x plus 3 minus x is the same as 3 plus x minus x, and 2x minus x is just x, and this side becomes 3 plus 0, so we have 3 equals x. Okay, so let's try and make this a bit more complicated. If you have something like x plus 3 equals 2x plus 5, then your picture looks like this, where you've got your can and you've got 3 on this side, and here you've got your 2 cans, and you've got 5 on that side. Okay, so to start off with, you notice that there are cans on both sides, and the idea is we just want to get a can on its own on one side. So it would be great to get rid of the can on the left hand side. You generally look at both sides, and personal preference is to have a positive number of cans, so you would try and remove, you'd look at the two sides, and whatever side had the fewest cans, that's the side that you would try and remove cans from. So this side has the fewest cans, so we're going to take a can off there, and if we take a can off the left hand side, we've got to take a can off the right hand side. This is exactly the same up until this stage as the previous example, so that's just going to leave you 3 blocks there, because these 2 are going to cancel and these 2 are going to cancel. It's going to leave you a can and 5. Okay, so algebraically what we've done is we've got x plus 3 minus x equals 2x plus 5 minus x. Okay, so like we saw, that left you with 3 plus x minus x, and this is 2x minus x plus 5, and plus x minus x is the same as 0, so that's 3 plus 0, and 2x minus x is just 1x plus 5, so you've got 3 equals x plus 5. So now we've only got x on one side, but it's still not on its own, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these 5 here, and the way we're going to do that is put 5 below the line on the right hand side, and then we have to put 5 below the line on the left hand side. So these 5 will cancel with those 5, and I'm going to try and fit it all in now, which is going to be a bit of a problem, but I'm essentially doing 3 minus 5, and I'm doing x plus 5 take away 5. And x plus 5 take away 5 is the same as x plus 0. And if you do 3 take away 5, you get left with minus 2 on the left hand side, and you get x on the right hand side, so x is equal to minus 2.